For a long time now, I've not done makeup. And this is going for someone that loves makeup. Well, from now on, I'm going to change all that. Today, I'm trying out a very simple look. I don't know, guys. Tell me what works for you. Drawing your eyebrow first before the whole makeup, or afterwards, you cannot draw your eyebrow. For me, I love drawing my eyebrow first before every other thing because it takes time, so I like doing it first. For me, trying to fill your brows is like laying a foundation. It takes time. So to save time for myself, I like doing it first. Here, I'm trying to blend everything in. I like using tape. It helps my eyeshadow to sit well. You agree with me that doing your makeup is the real business. It requires full concentration, trust me. Because of where I'm going to, I'm trying to tone it down as much as possible. Watch to the end, you will love this.
When you do, make sure you come around here. Table for two, you can keep it on the low. Face up, light up and on the low. Hey, you may do it on your own. No say, we fit the link in my home. Face down when I see you on the phone. Face up, light up and on the low. Hey, girl, I'm gonna be honest, and I wish you all the best. And I wish you all the best. I'm so addicted, conflicted, and I pray I will never get afflicted. Looking at the works of the Lord, trying to set the vision where they meant for me. I came from the jungle, I'm just trying to make a way. Niggas they be acting cause they got nothing to say. Sometimes you be silent if you wanna make a way. Watch out for the vultures cause they're closing in the way. You can have it one step, one move at a time. When the party goes wide, and we order for the wine, and the body gets high, a cappella for the night. You can have it one step, one move at a time. When the party goes wide, and we order for the wine, and the body gets high, a cappella for the night. Cappella for the night. I'm addicted to the road. A new fashion, so I set it on the road. Big fast when the boys come to play. With the way she moves, she'll have something to say. Yeah, I'm addicted to the mountain. In short, edit, pouring like a fountain. Big fast when the boys come to play. With the way she moves, she'll have something to say. Yeah, girl, I'm gonna be honest.
Here, I'm all done with everything. I love the outcome. I love the simple look. It's everything, honestly. This is so simple and cute. Guys, tell me what you think about this look in the comment section. This can be your day-to-day look, you know. It's so simple and natural. From the brows to the leaves, everything is adorable. I don't know if I'm the only one that loves simple look because it gives this rich anti-vibe, you know. I love this, honestly. It's so beautiful. Rate this look for me in the comment section. Tell me if you love it heavy or light. For me, I love going with light anytime, any day.